So peep this real quick, yeah. Let's get to weekly analysis. You get me? Let me share my screen. Let me share my screen. So yep. So what are we looking at for the week? I have like one, two, three, four pairs I'm looking at for the week. So they are marked red. As you can see right there. So first thing first, we're looking at Euro USD since that's what's on our screen right now. So Euro USD, what can we see on our Euro USD trade, the market? We can clearly see our market was making, like, we're looking at structure first. You get me? Structure first thing first. So structure is giving us higher highs and higher lows. I just want to point this out. Higher highs, higher low, higher highs, higher low, higher highs, higher low, higher highs. So the last higher low. Is this a fake breakout or we broke it? I'll take it as we breaking this higher low right here. It all depends on what we are going to see on our H1 to know if we're taking this sell down. You get me? So to know if we are like going to see that uptrend or it's a fake breakout, then we're going to see that from our H1. And our H1, you can clearly see that we broke structure. We broke structure, came back up. So we can only see a change of structure if we break here, this last lower high. So we are in a downtrend right now. We are in a downtrend. So on our Euro USD, all we can see is sell. So let's say we are drawing let's say we're using our trend line just for confidence, you get me? Not like this telling us direction or anything. Just for confidence. So let's say we are using our trend line, first touch, second touch, third touch, to like check the direction of the market. You can see we broke the trend line, breaking this our last higher low, coming back to give us um a new leg higher to like push this trade down. Get me? So yeah, this is like this for Euro USD, so we are waiting for that push downward. See, even if we start using our Fibonacci from this point A to point B, you can see we are in that 78.6 and 61.8% region. So what are we looking for? We are looking for price to give us something on our lower time frame for us to get that entry. So we're looking for just few things: candlestick analysis and uh candlestick formation and our chart pattern. You get me? Then we take our trade. Just a very simple strategy. When price retrace to your level, you just search for your chart pattern and your candlestick formation. Then you take your trade without flinching. Again, you just take your trade and let the probability work for you. So that's that for Euro USD. So we are just looking for that. We're just looking for that let's say for that candlestick formation, and let's see how it plays out. So Euro USD for this week, our bias is we are shorting the market for Euro USD. If it's not short, not among, except to break this level, then we can tell that we are going higher. So yeah, that's for Euro USD. I'm not going to like pan out the whole four trades. I'm just going to, let's see, USD Yes, USD I was talking about USD last week. I remember vividly. I even posted a video today about this USD. So let's look at the market from our H4 point of view. Our H4, what are we seeing? We are seeing a clear downtrend. This is just a clear downtrend. Understand? This is a clear downtrend. What are we seeing? market making. See now at this level now, this is what happened at this level. You can see right, left shoulder, head, right shoulder, come back down, retest of the neckline, come back down again. Now we are having that retracement at the zone to bring us downward. So this is just a straightforward market situation. You can clearly see that I'm already waiting for this trade to like play out for me, because I already saw a bearish engulfing at the zone, this bearish candle engulfing this bullish candle. So if we take our Fibonacci from this point A to point B, you can tell that we are even sitting pretty on our 78.6% zone, coming down to our 61.8% zone. So now I just want the market to give us a push back up, then we can see, let's go to our H1 for you to see that break of structure that I was telling you about. So higher highs, higher low, higher highs, higher low, higher highs, higher low. So that break of structure. So now what we are waiting for, this might even come back up to even give us a head and shoulder pattern like this. Left head, left shoulder, head. Then we need a right shoulder before we start seeing that thing down. And to get that right shoulder, we can just draw a Fibonacci from point A to point B. We need to see a bullish candle to like fully draw this our Fibonacci. This can still keep going down, but we need a bullish candle to like, okay, we found support to like draw our Fibonacci. So that's why I said it's even panning out to our 61.8% zone and at this same resistance here. So like everything is just, it's just you telling a story. You get me? Top down analysis, analyzing your chart from the top to the down. You get me? Even if we go to our daily time frame, we can still clearly see how the market closed. We're in a downtrend. We're in a downtrend. Market is like, it's like falling. You can see this candlestick. You can see the whole of exhaustion at the zone. So bulls were in the market, bears they pull the market down, because this is the bearish market. If you can tell from just by looking at this chart that this is a bearish market. So yeah, so that's for our analysis for the week. I'm just taking just two of my pairs. I say I have two more pairs I'm looking at, but I'm giving you USD and Euro USD for this week. So yeah, I'll see you guys next time. You've already picked that, you know. Not a boy. Let's go. Let's go. Let's go. Let's go. Let's go. Let's go.